멀지 않은 미래, 이곳은 미국 시카고.
They say the war was terrible, that the rest of the world was...
인류는 평화를 유지하기 위해 인간을 5분파로 나눴죠. 지식과 논리를 탐구하는 분파 에러다이트, 땅을 경작하고 화목이 가득한 분파 에모티, 정직과 질서를 중시하는 분파 캔더, 군인, 경찰 등으로 인류를 수호하는 분파 돈트리스.
Brave, fearless, and free. My faction is abnegation. The others all call us stiffs.
에브니게이션은 이타적이고 배려가 많았고,
Because we're public servants, we're trusted to run the government. It all works. Everyone knows where they belong, except for me.
인류는 분파의 특성에 맞게 질서를 이루며 살아왔지만
I'm supposed to never think of myself, always help others.
부모님이 에브니게이션인 베아트리스는 이질감을 느끼고 있었죠.
How are you? For your test?
But I didn't have any reason to be, and neither do you.
그녀는 오늘 분파 적성 테스트를 볼 예정이었고,
I'm scared it'll tell me I'm not abnegation. For my brother Caleb, it's easy.
Can help you with that.
He's a natural.
I'm blind or an amputee. Would you have helped with that?
I was thinking about help. Trust the test. Test will tell me who I am, where I belong. Am I honest, selfless, or brave?
그 순간 나타난 돈트리스 분파의 일원들. 베아트리스는 용감한 이들에게 동경심을 가지고 있었죠.
Today, aptitude testing, based on your personality, will choose any of the 5 factions regardless of your test result.
결과에 상관없이 원하는 분파를 고를 수 있었으나 번복은 불가능했고,
I'm Tori. I'll be administering your test.
95% get the faction of their origin.
Bottoms up.
바로 테스트가 시작됩니다.
Choose now, before it's too late.
The serum made you sick, and that I sent you home, all right?
Your results were inconclusive. They call it divergent.
You received an abnegation result because
We're supposed to trust the test.
didn't work on you.
토리는 매우 당황해하며 베아트리스를 돌려보냅니다. 과연 그녀가 가진 특성엔 어떤 비밀이 숨겨져 있을까요?
Why did you just leave without telling anybody?
I was sick.
They're doing everything they can to discredit us.
Wait, who is?
Erudite.
에러다이트는 에브니게이션이 운영하는 정부를 빼앗기 위해 요즘 에브니게이션들에게 공격적인 태도를 취하고 있었고,
Don't take too long in here. You need a good night's sleep.
내일은 베아트리스와 오빠 케일럽이 분파를 선택하는 날이었죠.
We love you.
Tomorrow when we choose, you have to think of the family. You also have to think of yourself.
다음 날이 되었고, 대부분의 경우 부모의 분파를 그대로 선택하는 게 일반적이었죠. 그때 마주친 에러다이트의 수장 제닌.
These are your children. I don't think I knew they were choosing today. Both have a big decision to make today. You're still free to choose.
But you don't really want that.
Because you honestly know yourself. I want you to choose
The
wisely.
faction system is a living being. The future belongs to those who know.
Faction before blood.
I love you, no matter what.
그렇게 한 명 한 명씩 분파를 선택하는 시간이 다가왔고,
Erudite, Dauntless, Claire Sattler, Candor, Caleb Pryor.
어느덧 케일럽도 선택의 시간이 다가왔죠.
Erudite,
예상과 달리 뜻밖의 선택을 한 케일럽.
Beatrice Pryor. Dauntless,
그녀 또한 부모와는 다른 길을 선택합니다. 선택이 끝나자 곧바로 부모와 헤어지게 되고, 돈트리스는 활기차게 자신들의 본거지로 돌아갑니다.
You made it. I'm Christina.
Get ready.
what if you don't jump? What do you think? Be factionless. I'm Eric. I'm one of your leaders.
그런데 돈트리스의 본거지로 가기 위해선 아래 웅덩이로 뛰어내려야만 했고,
Someone's got to go first. Who's it going to be?
Me.
Yes, stiff. Take it off.
Back on.
다행히 아래엔 그물이 있었죠.
What, you get pushed?
No?
그녀는 이곳에서 자신의 이름을 트리스로 바꾸어 소개하죠.
First jumper, Triss. Welcome to Dauntless.
뒤이어 모든 신입생들이 떨어졌고
But during your training, I'll be your instructor.
My name's Ford.
What happened? 1 through 3 were taken.
What's your name?
Christina?
Just keep your mouth shut. Do you understand me?
Follow me.
Center of life here at Dauntless. You're gonna be sleeping here for the next 10 weeks. If you like this, you're gonna love the bathroom.
No other area?
Get changed.
Nice legs, stiff.
남녀 구분 없이 같은 숙소를 쓰게 되죠.
Have you never seen a hamburger before?
Abnegation, eat plain food. Nice to meet you too. I'm Will, erudite. Pretty self-confident to be friends with a candor.
What is that supposed to
I
mean?
don't want to hear about your old faction.
Were you a transfer too? Or Dauntless born?
What makes you think you can talk to me?
Must be because you're so approachable.
Careful.
You know he was first. They tried to recruit him for leadership twice.
Initiates, stand, tasked with the defense of this city and all its inhabitants. Respect that. Do us proud.
그렇게 돈트리스에서의 삶을 시작하게 된 트리스.
I want everyone in the pit. 2 minutes. There are 2 stages of training. The first is physical, it's mental. Again, breaking point.
Ranks will also determine who gets cut. There's no going home to your families, so you live factionless. I mean, if that's the case, you might as well get out now. You chose us, and we get to choose you.
이곳엔 성적에 따라 퇴출 시스템이 있었고
Statistically speaking, you should have hit the target at least once by now.
Factionless, not doing anything.
Go say hi.
First jumper, in the ring. Time to fight.
How long do we fight for?
The new rules, no one concedes.
Lucky for you, those weren't the rules when we fought.
에릭은 훈련생들을 강하게 몰아붙였고 트리스는 완패를 당하고 말았죠.
Still in the red by the end of the first stage, you're out.
트리스는 초반부터 퇴출 위기에 놓였고
If they cut me, I think my parents would take me back.
Even if my parents would take me back, I wouldn't belong there anymore.
얼마 후 동료들과 함께 타투를 하러 왔는데
Where'd you get it?
I don't know what he suggested.
이곳에서 토리를 만나게 되죠.
Remember me.
I just do tattoos.
I'd like this one.
You made a mistake choosing Dauntless. They'll find out about you here.
Who?
You don't fit into a category they can't control.
I'm going to be Dauntless. I chose Dauntless.
You're weak. You have no muscle.
Yep, you have to use your whole body.
Fast, so you could win if you attack first. Keep working.
Need to stop?
All right, let's everyone take a break.
경기를 포기한 크리스티나를 어디론가 데려가는 에릭.
Fall and die? If you give up, you're out.
Come on, Chris.
Time. Dauntless, never give up.
As Dauntless, we fight to protect every life inside the... And to find out who has what it takes. So we have to be ready for everything.
It's out there.
Places that never recovered from the war.
We're kind of good at this.
I was pathetic.
Are you afraid?
Everybody stop. Stand in front of the target. Four, give me a hand here. And if I see you flinch, you're out.
Stop.
그때 트리스가 대신 나섰고
Get closer than that. And watch yourself. All right, we're done for today. Get out.
You cut me.
I meant to. Think he was gonna let you off without a scratch?
How am I supposed to thank you?
You're the only one who's ever stood up to him.
Look at your ear.
잠시 후 이곳에서 제닌을 만나게 되는데
What's she doing at Dauntless?
Beatrice,
That's just Triss.
I'm glad you were smart enough to know your own mind.
That was weird.
What do you think is going on?
But they're hunting Divergence.
Divergence are real?
First fight, Peter versus Triss.
얼마 후 평소 시비를 걸던 피터와 붙게 됩니다.
Remember what I said about attack? First shot, right to the throat.
All right there, Steph. Look like you're about to cry.
결국 패배하고만 트리스.
Look bad.
Have you seen the scoreboard? Where am I?
You're below the line.
Eric says you're done.
He said you were out.
I'm sorry, Triss.
하지만 트리스는 이대로 포기하지 않았습니다. 일단 다음 훈련에 합류해 보는데
Who let you out?
I did.
에릭은 쿨하게 그녀를 받아주었죠.
The game's simple. It's like capture the flag.
Neurostim dart simulates the pain of a real gunshot.
이번 훈력은 에릭 팀과 포 팀으로 나뉘어 대결하게 되었고
All right, lights off. Gather around. Come on.
포 팀은 작전 회의를 통해 상대를 먼저 정찰하기로 합니다.
Not gonna jump, are you?
Trying to get a good vantage point. Don't have to come with me.
You should go easy. You took a beating. You good? This is high enough.
No, we need to go higher. You're afraid of heights.
Everyone's afraid of something. Are you even human?
This isn't so bad. Look, there it is.
상대팀의 위치를 파악하고 기습을 준비하는 포팀.
Go.
Christina.
Tell me if this hurts.
You tell me.
피터를 제압한 드리스. 포가 에릭까지 제압하는 데 성공합니다. 이번 게임에서 자신을 증명하는 데 성공한 드리스.
Tris. Congratulations. You know, I wanted to say that you were really good.
If you're below it, we'll waste no more time on you.
생존에 성공합니다. 그러던 어느 날 그녀의 어머니가 찾아왔고
Mom? What are you doing here?
I knew they'd assign you here sooner or later.
Mom, you can't be here.
I know, but you're in danger.
Why?
What were your test results?
They were inconclusive.
People have always been so threatened by divergence. Don't conform. Your mind works in a million different ways.
어머니는 돈트리스의 2단계 훈련이 가장 위험하다는 정보를 주죠.
How do you know so much about this?
Hey! What are you doing?
결국 이렇게 대화는 끝나버렸고
What did they do to her?
뒤이어 2단계 훈련이 시작됩니다.
It's part of your brain that processes fear. This is a hallucination. You're gonna be facing your worst fears, Tris, and deal with what's in front of you.
This isn't real.
It's all right. How long do you think you were in the hallucination, Tris?
20 minutes?
3. I've seen anyone do that well the first time.
My whole body was covered in these little insects.
So panicked he had a heart attack in his chair and he almost died.
동기들에 비해 쉽고 빠르게 2단계를 통과한 트리스.
Look, she's gone from being the worst to one of the best.
Do you ever stop talking?
What's your trick?
I don't have a trick.
다음 시험도 압도적인 기록으로 탈출에 성공하는데
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I just did it.
What were your test results?
Abnegation.
I don't think so. I'm gonna ask you one more time. What were your test results? Fine, you're free to go. Just so you know, Dauntless don't break the glass like that.
My brother was like you. During the second stage, he got good really fast. Next morning, we found his body at the bottom of the castle. You can't let them find out about you.
And what if they already know?
그녀는 돈트리스를 나와 오빠 케일럽이 있는 에러다이트에 왔고
Hey, Tris. What are you doing here?
I'm in trouble. I'm not gonna make it at Dauntless. I'm not like them. Maybe I can go back to abnegation.
Can't go back. They're not gonna let abnegation break any more rules. Erudite should be in charge. Certainly not abnegation.
케일럽은 이미 에러다이트의 사상에 물들어 있었고
You need to understand that.
Hey, Tris. I think you should go.
Got it.
돌아가는 길에 제닌을 만나게 됩니다.
Please sit down. Are you happy with your new faction?
Yeah.
Faction before blood. An important ideal. Sometimes difficult.
You're aware that abnegation is undermining the faction system.
I didn't know that.
I need to know that I can count on you to enforce the law, of course.
트리스는 다시 돈트리스로 돌아왔는데 갑자기 괴한들의 습격을 받게 됩니다. 그런데 이들은 알고 보니 자신들의 동기들이었고 위기의 순간 포가 나타나 도움을 주죠. 이번 습격엔 평소 친하게 지냈던 동료 알도 있었고
Can't believe Al.
You're moving up through the ranks and he's failing. He's just afraid. But not you. Fear doesn't shut you down and wakes you up. You should lie down.
다음날 알은 그녀에게 사과를 하러 오는데요.
Tris, can I talk to you for a second?
If you ever come close to me again, I will kill you.
트리스는 그의 사과를 받아줄 수가 없었고
What's that?
Oh my god.
잠시 후 알은 스스로 목숨을 끊은 채 발견되었죠.
Tris,
Neither am I.
why do you say that?
You know why. As soon as all the others find out, they're gonna kill me.
두려워하는 그녀에게 포는 도움을 주기로 결심했고
We're gonna practice. We're going together.
포의 환각에 같이 들어가 훈련하기로 하죠.
Fear of heights. We could just jump.
No. The Virgin would jump. Dauntless would get to that building. You have to find some tool, some method.
돈트리스의 방식으로 이곳을 탈출했고 이런저런 일을 함께 겪으며 둘은 매우 가까워졌습니다.
What's your tattoo?
You want to see it?
The factions.
I don't want to be just one thing. I want to be brave, and I want to be selfless. Although I'm still working on kind.
다음날 폰은 트리스를 어디론가 데려갑니다.
Come on, I'm going to show you something. Look.
Erudite.
Yeah, I've been watching them for weeks. And these, supposed to make you more susceptible to suggestion. They could create an army.
무언가 수상한 일을 꾸미고 있는 듯한 에러다이트. 잠시 후 돈트리스의 최종 시험이 진행되었고
So you get past your fears the way a Dauntless would, but do it quickly. Good luck.
Good luck, Triss. I hope you make it.
트리스는 돈트리스의 방식으로 임무를 클리어합니다.
Congratulations, new members of Dauntless.
트리스는 마침내 돈트리스의 정식 일원이 되었는데
What's going on?
Before you leave tonight, I want you all in 4 lines.
갑자기 모든 인원들에게 주사를 놓기 시작합니다.
Do you see 4?
사실 이 주사는 아침에 봤던 복종하게 만드는 약이었고
Hey, what's...
밤이 되자 동료들이 좀비같이 움직이기 시작합니다.
Oh my god.
멀쩡했던 트리스는 일단 명령에 따르는 척했고
They can see and hear us. They just don't process it the same way.
What do we do?
Divergent. Everything's fine. There's nothing to worry about.
그때 폴을 발견한 트리스. 사실 그도 다이버전트였습니다. 이들이 향한 곳은 에브니게이션의 거주지였고
We need to find my parents.
Just keep moving. Where's your house?
하지만 집엔 이미 아무도 없는 상태였습니다.
Where do we take gun?
I don't know.
그때 에릭이 포에게 다가왔고
Legendary 4, mindless drone.
그는 순간 포에게 이상한 느낌이 들었습니다.
What? Think he might be?
Say goodbye, asshole.
Goodbye.
Move and you die.
Two stiffs.
Drop your weapons.
하지만 이 많은 포위망을 뚫을 수는 없었고 이들은 제닌 앞으로 끌려오게 됩니다.
I thought it was intellect I was sensing in you. Somebody has to stop you. If we don't, we will restore the peace.
And what if you're wrong?
Bring him with us. You can get rid of her.
All right.
포는 실험 대상으로 끌려가게 되고 트리스는 이 자리에서 처형당할 상황이었죠. 그렇게 아무것도 할 수 없던 그 순간
What?
Beatrice. Okay, we gotta run.
You were dauntless.
Served me well today. Let's go. Let's go find your father.
도망치던 중 어머니는 총에 맞고 말았고
Mom! Mom! No! Mom! I love you.
슬퍼할 틈도 없이 그녀는 아버지에게로 향해야 했죠.
Where's my father?
Beatrice? Your mother?
She saved me.
I should have believed you. I left as soon as I realized.
I need to wake him up. I need to get into Dauntless. I can get us in there.
사람들을 되돌리기 위해 돈트리스 본거지로 향합니다.
You good? Good? Wait here. Against the wall. How are you awake?
I'm smarter than you, and they need me?
피터에게 조종실에 대해 물었고
That's it, isn't it?
시간이 부족하기에 트리스의 아버지가 결단을 내리죠.
Dad, no!
적들을 제압하지만 아버지 또한 목숨을 잃고 말았고 하루 만에 부모님을 모두 잃어버렸지만 망설일 시간이 없었습니다.
Watch Caleb. I'm going in there.
그러다 이곳에서 실험을 받고 있는 폴을 발견하게 되는데 어째서인지 트리스를 공격하는 포.
Towards me. You're in a sim.
He can't hear you. Thoughts, emotions, history, all wiped away by chemistry. Divergence threaten that system. There's a certain beauty in your resistance.
이제서야 폰은 기억이 돌아왔고
Shut it down. No. Shut it down.
제니는 목숨을 위협받으면서도 포기하지 않았죠.
Maybe you're not quite as dauntless as you thought you were.
I'm divergent. Shut it down and wipe the program. There's a certain beauty to your resistance.
We gotta go.
My mom and dad died today.
They loved you, Tris.
Now we have nothing. We have no home, no faction. I don't even know who I am anymore.
I know exactly who you are. Yeah, I'm very sure.
We've left everything behind. But for now, we'll ride the train to the end of the line.
이렇게 다이버전트 시즌 1은 막을 내립니다.
Past 4th of July weekend.
Another small-town bank robbery over the weekend.
Williamsport, Pennsylvania, by what appears to be the same.
지난 6년간 8개 은행을 턴 전설의 강도. 영화 어니스트 시프 시작합니다. 물품 보관소에 들어서는 한 남자 톰 돌란.
Hello?
I need a storage unit. Actually, considering all my baggage. You know, big and smelly there. Ooh, that looks good.
You work here, right?
I do.
톰은 유쾌한 성격을 가진 애니에게 매력을 느끼게 되고
You need a storage unit.
Yes, please.
You should probably switch places.
Oh, yeah,
first.
sorry.
Fill in the blank with your name here.
Tom.
Tom.
Fill in the blank with your name.
Annie.
Annie.
그렇게 둘은 깊은 사랑에 빠지게 됩니다.
Back door was open.
Transparency.
Yeah. What do you think?
What do I think it's... I mean, it could use some paint. Maybe yellow. Restaurant, park. Amazing police department. So
That is, if you're interested in moving in with me. In a year, Annie. 1 year.
I haven't lived with anyone since the divorce. I just can't go through that again.
You won't have to.
It is a beautiful home. Can we even afford this?
Work out a couple of things.
Yeah.
There is something else I need to do.
No, not tonight. This...
You can wait.
애니와 함께 살게 되었지만 무언가 고민이 많아 보이는 톰. 어딘가에 연락을 취합니다.
Federal Bureau of Investigation, how may I direct your call?
I want to turn myself in.
사실 톰의 정체는 여러 은행을 털었던 전설의 강도였고
I'm the in-and-out bandit.
We got another in-and-out confession.
FBI는 장난 전화인 줄 알고 대수롭지 않게 응대하는데
Why don't you tell me what you've been up to?
I've robbed 12 banks in 7 states, but I haven't robbed anything in over a year. I want to make a deal. I hand over all the money I stole in exchange for a reduced sentence. Full visitation rights. I met a woman. I adore every bit of her, lying to her about my past indiscretions. So, do we have a deal?
That's not how it works, buddy.
You think I'm making this up?
Well, you wouldn't be the first. All right. Where can I find you?
FBI는 톰을 조사해 보기로 했고
Got another in-and-out confession.
얼마 후 조사관 존과 라몬이 방문합니다.
Tom Carter. Yes. Make you guys look like heroes. And you don't believe me.
How about we try this? Specific details about these robberies that...
All right. All town banks with older vaults, pre-1950. The bank to have a vacant building next to it with an adjoining wall. I would enter the bank through an air conditioning vent. Something I couldn't rush. Bolt. Finished. It was like I was never there.
Where's the money?
First things first. I want some guarantees.
But I'm sorry. No one's cutting a deal without proof.
Aurora Self-Storage, a few miles west of here.
We'll check it out.
Or shouldn't I come with you?
조사관들은 톰과 동행하지 않고 돈이 있는 곳으로 향합니다. 그리고 별기대 없이 보관소를 확인해 보는데
John. And amazing.
Son of a bitch was telling the truth. Open the trunk.
What are we doing here?
For our personal retirement funds.
그런데 진짜 돈을 확인한 존은 다른 마음을 먹게 되고
Sits in evidence for 2 years while they try this asshole. That is noble. And naive. Until he cuts us loose, what are we actually left with? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Money that doesn't belong to anybody. All you gotta do is pick up a box, be a hero to your family. It's your call.
Let's do it.
그런데
Excuse me, I'm the manager here.
We're friends of Tom's. He rents this unit.
So you guys work together, or?
No. We're Semper Fi.
Hoorah!
All right, Marines.
이 상황을 모르는 애니는 이들이 진짜 톰의 옛 동료인 줄 알았고
All right, be sure to lock up.
심지어 그녀는 아직 톰이 은행을 턴 것도 모르고 있었죠. 존과 라몬은 돈을 인적이 드문 어느 건물에 숨기게 되고
Nobody's stepping foot in this neighborhood anymore.
한참의 시간이 지나고 나서야 다시 톰에게로 돌아갑니다.
What took so long?
Let's have a chat.
Do we have a deal?
I hear you're a Marine.
What's with the gloves? Whoa, hey.
Pick it up.
I'm turning myself in.
This isn't what we talked about.
Did you count it? When you got to 3 million, you would have run out of money.
3's a lot of money.
Yeah, but 9 sounds better.
Okay, suppose you're right. Where's the other 6?
그때 또 다른 FBI 수사관이 이곳을 방문했고
Sam Baker, FBI. Open up, Carter.
What do I do?
Just a second. Open up. You guys are handling this?
Sir?
What's with the 9mm? What exactly, sir?
Go!
Oh, come on. Shoot him! Get it!
Who's shooting at us?
FBI.
I can't believe you shot Baker.
Cut that out or I'd wake up.
Carter took my SIG.
Tell me what you did.
I will, Annie. I promise.
There he is.
하지만 톰과 애니는 이미 사라져 있었죠.
Anything? Can't be far.
다행히 도주에 성공한 톰.
I can explain.
The in and out bandit.
I haven't robbed the bank in over a year.
Listen to me. You have to turn yourself in.
What I was trying to do. Just felt if you and I were going to have... I was hoping once you knew the whole story, you'd be understanding it.
I need some air.
FBI 또한 톰을 만나러 간 수사관이 죽은 사실에 대해 알게 되고
How many people have you killed?
No one, not even in the Marines.
You've been lying to me this whole time.
I considered just keeping my mouth shut, keeping the money. Hurt what you and I have.
이어 은행을 턴 이유에 대해 이야기하는데
Pneumonia while I was in a dust bowl fighting somebody else. He was depressed, lonely. Pipe manufacturer for over 35 years. Productivity slipped and they fired him.
게다가 그 회사의 CEO는 아버지의 연금까지 횡령해버렸고 톰이 그 CEO가 가지고 있는 돈을 은행에서 털어버린 것이 바로 시작이었습니다.
$658,000. I never spent one dime of it.
Then why did you keep doing it?
Just felt good. Made me feel alive. You gave me that same feeling, alive. So it's the more time I spent with you, the more I realized was the need to feel love. So there it is. We should go, huh?
I'm sorry, my friend. Find out whoever did this to you. Where's Nivens and Hall?
Wouldn't keep me away from you for very long. It was them shooting another agent, which I'm sure the feds will come after me and keep coming until dropping you off at the next corner. Need to get as far away from the city as possible.
Baker was already down when we got back.
역시나 이들은 톰을 범인으로 몰았고
And nothing turned up at the storage.
Like a decade's worth of crap.
Willing to kill another agent. What are they capable of doing to you?
I don't deserve this.
When you're settled, call me from the payphone. But not about how I feel about you. I'll always love you, no matter what happens.
I feel like I'm never going to see you again.
You will, I promise.
Then prove it, Tom. Prove that you didn't kill that man.
톰은 존에 대한 조사를 시작했고
We lifted Carter's fingerprints from the hotel. Former Marine, lifer, demolitions expert.
PTSD's taking care of the rest.
He seemed crazy to you?
Camera picked her up outside the hotel.
그런데 조사 중 FBI는 애니의 존재까지 알게 되었고
She must know something, so let's find her.
이들에게는 애니가 큰 두려움의 대상이었죠.
Annie.
Are you okay? They're on the security camera, unloading boxes out of your storage unit.
Annie, where are you?
그런데 애니는 아직 사무실에 있었고
Hang up and get out of there right now.
톰이 우려한 대로 존은 애니가 있는 곳으로 가버렸죠.
Annie, there you are. Your boyfriend here? Just robbed banks together?
I don't know what you're talking about.
He's got $6 million tucked away somewhere. Another one of these units here?
It's in the drawer to the right.
In here?
she dead?
No, she's not. She's about to be.
Stop!
She's dead.
You think?
You sure there was a memory card?
I don't know. There's gotta be.
We gotta get out of here.
뒤늦게 이곳에 도착한 톰.
Jesus God. Annie. Hello? I need some help here.
Get a gurney.
Please. It's gonna be fine.
Let's move.
Federal Bureau of Investigation. How may I direct your call?
Miss Myers.
Nivens, Dolan's on the line asking for you.
All right, put that prick on.
She had nothing to do with this.
Girlfriend.
Agent Nivens, I'm coming for you.
But don't go getting any brave ideas. We're in this together.
You got a trace?
No, it wasn't long enough.
I got a visual on the suspect. Light blue Ford Econoline.
Northbound on Webster.
일단 따돌렸고 또 다른 차량까지 피하는 데 성공하는데요. 그런데 이번엔 존이 탄 차량이 나타났고 이번엔 이들의 상관 마이어스가 톰을 발견했고
Wrong! You got it wrong! Don't do it!
이제야 이 사건의 진실에 대해 설명하는 톰.
Attacked her at the self-storage in Milton.
Why would he do that?
She has evidence
Do it
against
the proper way. I'll make sure the truth comes out.
What's your name?
Myers.
Agent Hall. He's in on it too. This is his.
톰은 라몬의 총을 넘기고 사라져버렸죠.
Grace Hospital. Please. Hi. I'm looking for Annie Wilkins. Hello. Is this Annie's room? I'll call back later. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, we need to make sure she didn't make it.
이곳엔 마이어스가 대기 중이었죠.
Looking for me?
Yeah. Where's your partner? What's with the leg?
Just got thrown out of a second-story window.
Tell me something.
It's Tom Dolan.
Where's the money?
What money? Well, that money is in Tom Dolan's head.
You needed to see me?
Yeah, I believe you lost this.
Thanks. Anything else?
No, we're good.
이제는 마이어스도 이들을 의심하는 상황. 톰은 한밤중에 라몬의 집을 찾아왔습니다.
What's wrong?
None. It's just work stuff.
그는 여전히 죄책감에 시달리고 있었고
You.
It's just I realize I work too much. You know I love you and the boys more than
What's going on, Ramon?
Kill me?
No, I do need your help. You and I both know this wasn't your doing.
It wasn't supposed to go down like this. But at that point, I had no choice.
You have a choice now, pal.
The security footage from the storage. I took it off your girlfriend when he wasn't looking.
알고 보니 증거 자료는 라몬이 존 몰래 가지고 있었죠.
You gotta get her out the hospital. He's gonna kill her.
Hey, you're awake. I need to get you out of here right away. You're not safe.
톰은 앤니를 안전한 장소로 옮겼고
Didn't expect that. You
Kidnapping your girlfriend.
She wasn't safe there. It'll have nothing to do with what comes next.
What comes next?
Now, I'm doing it the only way I know how.
이제 무언가를 준비하기 시작합니다.
I've never seen you work before.
Not glamorous. I mean, it's just wires. You know, if this works, you have to understand I'm still going. What are you doing?
I'm coming with you.
No, you're not. I have to finish this, Annie.
Look, do what you have to do.
다음날 애니와 함께 존의 집으로 온 톰.
All I wanted was a chance at a normal life for Annie.
Time's up. What do you want? You want to talk? You want your deal? What?
하지만 존은 자백할 마음이 전혀 없어 보였고
In that case, I suggest you just run. 10, 6, 5, 1.
Nice try, asshole.
If I'd wanted you dead, you would be.
Wow.
Would you do something for me?
Anything.
라몬에게 전화를 거는 존.
What's up?
Change your plan. He blew up my fucking house.
Where are you?
I'm at the spot.
I'll meet you there.
Hurry up.
He's not a bad guy. He's flawed, but he's a good man.
Is there a reason why we're here?
애니는 마이어스에게 증거를 넘겼고
We wanted you to have these.
숨겨둔 $600만 마이어스에게 넘깁니다.
Yeah!
Me.
그런데 존 앞에 나타난 것은 톰이었고
Back up, both of you, against the wall. Got the security footage, prick. Your partner gave it to me.
You have it? Are you stupid? You're on that footage too. You murdered Baker. That was the only option.
How can I look my wife and my kids in the eye?
That's enough!
갑자기 수사관 둘이 싸우며 이곳은 아수라장이 되었고 존은 일단 차를 타고 도망치는데
How's traffic?
Traffic?
Just want to keep the collateral damage to a minimum. The second bomb. Check under the seat. Now that you're through the tunnel, go ahead. Pull over. The bomb is pressure sensitive. Get out of that. Put it together on the fly, so it's fairly unstable. If I were you, I'd sit tight and wait for the bomb squad.
결국 존은 구조반이 올 때까지 아무것도 할 수가 없었고
What's happening? It's a no detonator.
완전히 당해버리고만 존.
Arrest him.
그는 비참한 최후를 맞이하게 됩니다. 사무실로 돌아온 마이어스 앞에 물건이 하나 와 있었는데
You stupid. You're on that footage too. Murdered Baker. It's the only option.
He didn't deserve to die. How can I look my wife and my kids?
자신의 소중한 동료의 죽음이 존 때문이란 걸 알게 되죠.
Will you go easy on him?
I'll do my best.
It's for you.
Tom, impressive work. Circumstances were different. I'd be offering you a job. I'm gonna turn myself in. Look to your left. Must be one special woman. She is.
이렇게 영화는 해피엔딩으로 막을 내립니다. 클럽에서 가드로 일하고 있는 남자 루카스. 그의 일은 이곳의 진상 손님을 저지하는 것이었고 이렇게 오늘도 업무가 끝이 났습니다. 오래전 아내를 사고로 잃었고 지금은 사랑스러운 딸 사라와 함께 지내고 있었죠.
Hungry?
A little, yeah. Don't get the wrong ones. These are the ones I need.
Hurry up, Sarah. As of today, we still have not received last month's pay.
가드일로 먹고 사는 형편은 넉넉지 못했고 오늘도 어김없이 일이 시작되었습니다. 그러다 진상 한 명을 발견하게 되고
Go. You spilled a fucking drink on me! Ah! Get the fuck out!
Calm down. Who the fuck I am? Just a bitch like you.
순식간에 일어난 사고.
Fuck, man. Lucas. Break out.
다음날 그의 동료가 집으로 찾아왔고
The cop showed up. I think the kid's gonna press charges, and you're fired. What you gonna do?
I need to find a job.
There's a strip club in Ixel. One of the bar guys told me they needed a bouncer.
동료의 추천으로 새 일자리를 구하러 오게 되죠.
Follow me. We're open for Wednesday till Sunday. You get paid every night.
루카스를 어디론가 데려가는데
Last man standing gets the job.
순식간에 싸움터가 되어버린 이곳. 이제 남은 상대는 겨우 한 명이었죠. 그렇게 모두를 쓰러뜨리자 나타나는 이곳의 보스 얀.
What's your name? You start Friday.
새 일자리를 얻는 데 성공했죠.
Who did that to you?
I got work.
Is it painful?
You know what's great about all this? I get to stay home tonight. Put your hand like this. Go on. Go on, go on.
Night.
I'm sorry for the delay.
그런데 돌아가는 길에 경찰들이 찾아왔고
We'd like to talk to you about what happened at your job.
클럽 사건으로 붙잡혀 오게 되죠.
So what you're saying is you didn't hit the guy?
이 남자의 이름은 맥심.
But you got bad luck, man, because the guy you beat up, his dad works for the European club you worked at. They don't know anything about you. No one knows who you are or why you're hiding.
What do you want from me?
You're hiding because you screwed up here or somewhere. I don't give a fuck.
맥심은 대신 자신의 일을 도와달라 말하는데 사실 맥심은 인터폴 소속으로 이곳에서 한 남자를 쫓고 있었습니다.
Now my job is to track down a Dutchman who settled here to run his business. So now I have 20 fucking countries on my back that want me to name. Talking about is Jan Deckers, and he hired you as a bouncer at his strip club.
루카스는 이 제안을 거절하려 하지만
I have a lot of leeway with the work that I send your daughter to a foster home.
위조 신분의 입장이었던 그는 선택의 여지가 없었습니다.
This is my number. Memorize it. If you see or hear anything, you call me.
그렇게 얀의 행동을 몰래 맥심에게 보고해야 했고 이곳에서 일하던 중에 한 여성을 만나게 됩니다.
Where is Jan?
He's busy. See that girl over there? Take her back to her hotel. Come back here.
What's your name?
Lucas.
You do everything they tell you to do. Are you their little doggy? Bust.
리사와의 강렬한 첫 만남이었습니다.
She's Italian.
Never heard of her. Who is she? A new girlfriend?
No idea.
We're gonna check on that.
Jan wants to see you outside.
얀은 차에서 그를 기다리고 있었고
What do you want?
We want to know who you are. You've only got one number in your phone.
Hello, Daddy.
그 번호가 딸임을 알자 의심을 풀었고
Start the call.
얀은 루카스를 데리고 어디론가 향하는데
Where are you from? Nobody knows you.
Was a bodyguard abroad.
Why did you come back?
My wife died.
Keep right. Come. You're a bodyguard, no?
얀은 이곳에서 한 남자를 만났고
So you got some good news for me?
They don't want to do business with you and they don't trust you.
I pre-sold everything. And now you're telling me I can't.
Don't blame it on me.
I do blame it on you. I'll give it to them. Anything. So they know they can trust me. You better work it out.
무언가 모종의 거래가 있어 보입니다.
This is where you live.
Yeah.
You leave her alone when you're at work. You'd better go see her then. Keep the car. I'll go back with Geert. I'm telling you, keep it. It's my treat.
사실 이는 루카스에게 보내는 경고이기도 했죠. 삶의 전부인 그의 딸 사라.
Now they know where I live. Jan went to talk to some middleman, have something he wants.
Try to find out more about this. Jan's brought her here from Italy. He's got a good reason.
Drove Lisa back the other day. Go get her at the hotel.
Okay.
That was great, Dad. Thank you.
Ciao.
Hello.
You're very pretty, Sarah.
Where are we going?
Take the boulevard.
It's done.
얀은 이번엔 자신이 있는 곳으로 오라 지시했고
Give me 5 minutes.
Go inside. Geert is waiting for you.
Get something to fetch. Now. Do it. If you don't want to see your daughter again.
If something happens to my daughter, I'll kill you.
딸이 납치당한 채 하나의 임무를 수행해야 했고
This is the guy we're coming to get. Cooks the best crack cocaine in Europe. So what's the plan? What do you mean, what's the plan? We go in and get him out.
How many people are there?
No idea.
You stay here.
혼자서 목표 장소로 향하는 루카스. 신속하고 간결하게 목표물을 빼오는 데 성공합니다.
You're home is beautiful.
It's not really my own.
So what's your job then?
What's your daddy's job?
He was a guard who protects people.
And your mommy? Where is she now?
She had an accident in South Africa. Some people killed her to steal her car.
Where is she?
She's fine.
Dad, look what we did Lisa and
Get your stuff. We're leaving. Hurry up. Come on. Excuse me for barging in. No more calls. You never answer the phone.
루카스는 사라가 납치당했던 사실을 전했고
No, it's over. I'm out. Hey, I know what you did in South Africa. It means that if you quit the game now, I'll ship you right back there. Lose it now, man. We need you.
결국 다시 얀을 찾아간 루카스.
You came back. I'm sorry about the other day. I knew you would do a good job.
Don't ever touch my daughter again.
I promise. For the inconvenience.
I want to continue.
Tomorrow we're trading the guy you kidnapped. You can handle it together with Geert.
다음날 그 일을 위해 현장에 와 있었고
You can go.
It's okay.
You don't know what you're doing. Kill me. And then they'll kill you. It's okay. No, no, no! Fuck! Go, go, go!
필요한 물건을 챙겨 달아나는 루카스.
Go inside. What the fuck happened? Shit.
얀은 원하던 물건을 얻는 데 성공했고
Sarah, come on. Hurry up. What kind of an exchange?
Watermark paper.
Do they have doubts about you?
Impossible.
루카스는 딸의 안전을 위해 잠시 다른 곳으로 보내고자 했고
Bring your pencils with you if you want. You'll be okay here. Omar's a super guy. Listen, I have a few things to finish. I'll come back to get you.
I'm not afraid for you.
Sure you don't need anything else?
I will do this alone.
그렇게 딸을 맡기고 남은 일들을 처리하러 움직입니다.
The first time I saw you waiting up a bunch of guys against Survivor, I was able to adapt to anything. You do understand what we're doing now with Lisa. We're going to print banknotes pretty soon. We're going to need you. You've got to take real good care of Lisa.
I grew up somewhere near Crotone. It's in the south of Italy, a poor region. When he passed away, he left me and my mother in so I began to print fake money. But then I continued.
When you do this kind of things, it always sounds nasty.
And your wife, what happened to her?
A carjacking that went out of hand. They killed her. The police didn't, but I did.
루카스는 과거 아내를 살해한 자들에게 복수를 했기에 이곳에서 신분을 세탁하고 살고 있었던 것이었습니다. 그러던 어느 날 맥심은 리사를 체포해버렸고 그 후로도 여전히 얀을 잡을 단서를 찾지 못했는데
John's gonna disappear now he knows we're after him.
Jan has to hurry to print and deliver to his buyers. Just let the girl go. Let me talk to her.
얀을 잡기 위해서는 결국 리사의 도움이 필요했죠.
Figlio di puttana, you ratted on us. Why did you do that?
They let you out so you can print the money. Earn you back.
You trust these bastards?
I've tried to protect you.
You sacrificed me.
Do you want to have the black guard? Is that what you want? We're gonna be fine.
집에 돌아가 보니 얀이 그를 찾아와 있었고
What are you doing here?
We've got a big problem. As big as a police raid. They took Lisa. They've got nothing against her. They'll have to let it go. There's too much heat on us. We have to print the money. The people I worked for paid for it. Let's go for a ride. You're crazy. They arrested the girl who works. The way I see it, the transaction went wrong.
Maybe it's the girl who ratted on you?
She knew we were moving this time.
Maybe it's him?
He made his hands dirty for me.
얀에게 완전한 신뢰를 얻어낸 루카스.
Very soon.
리사는 풀려났고 이제 위조 지폐를 찍기 시작합니다.
Come on, Lisa. Get your shit together. Get me these babies. Thank you.
마침내 위조 지폐를 만들어내는데 성공했고, 때마쳐 이곳에 도착한 인터폴 요원들.
Put it in the trunk. Buy some toys for your daughter.
Don't move! Keep calm. On your knees.
그런데 어째서인지 얀과 리사를 모두 살해해버립니다.
Come on, guys, pack everything.
사실 맥심은 부패 요원이었고 처음부터 위조 지폐가 목적이었죠.
Come on, move it. Hurry up. So, you're not dead yet?
Let go! Let go! Let go! Fuck. Hey.
Hello, Dad? Are you coming to get me?
이렇게 모든 일을 끝내고 딸을 데리러 가는 루카스의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 막을 내립니다.